Hey everyone, my auntie made me some matcha. She has a TikTok and a YouTube account. Her name is Carwin C. Carwin C. Darwan. I already mentioned her in my post. She's my auntie. She's right there. The one with me. And we're gonna try her matcha because I didn't really post. This is
Anong tawag dyan?
Earl Grey matcha. Latte. Ice
Wait.
Earl Grey.
Okay.
Ba to see?
My
Pwede
mommy.
rin hindi, pero yung panghalo, medyo nasisip siya ng konti.
Yeah, see, it's hollow. So, there's a matcha. This is an Earl Grey matcha tea.
So wala naman yun, basta ganun lang.
Yeah.
Pwede na haluin.
Yes.
Wow, parang masarap naman ito.
This is matcha Earl Grey. This is a Earl Grey matcha latte.
Oo, 300 plus yan.
Earl Grey matcha latte.
Mas mahal pa lalo yun kasi Earl Grey. Hindi siya yung regular matcha latte.
I'm actually shocked that, girl, I actually drank a dirty matcha latte at Tom and Tom's. I didn't really like it, probably because the dirty part was coffee. But my auntie made me this. It's pretty good actually. Because it's not dirty, it's pure matcha from Japan. I love matcha. It's really good actually. Very good. It tastes a little bit sweet. It's because of the syrup. Sisang syrup ba yan? Ano syrup yan?
Earl Grey.
It's because of the Earl Grey syrup. It's really nice. It tastes really nice. It's basically the natural sweetener, di ba po?
Pwede.
It's basically the natural.
It's a homemade syrup.
Yeah, it's the homemade sweetener. It's a homemade sweetener for the matcha to not be bitter as heck.
Do you want it to be more bitter?
No, it's okay. I like it already. It is really good. The matcha and the Earl Grey syrup go really well. So, and then the stirrer is actually half straw because it's a little bit hollow. Really good. Okay, so that's the end of the video. Please watch more. Go to my channel if you want to watch more. And I will see you later. And
Masarap.
I will see you in the next video. Happy New Year, everyone!